Welcome to our quick guide to beauty and makeup tips.
Did you know makeup boosts confidence? Makeup is more than just colors and brushes. It's a form of self-expression that empowers individuals across the globe. Every stroke of a brush, every blend of eyeshadow is a step towards personal empowerment. Our makeup brand understands this transformative power. We believe in enhancing natural beauty while fostering self-love and confidence. As our logo emerges against the soft pink backdrop, it's not just a symbol. It's a promise of beauty, quality, and empowerment. Each product is crafted to make you feel bold and beautiful, inside and out. Ready to embrace your beauty power?
Start with the